Hello everyone, I'm here with Rachel. We are at Universal. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're just here for fun. Let's go. Yeah. We are in the Minion Cafe and we're happy. What'd you get?
Zero sugar Minute Maid lemonade.
Oh wow, Mateo would love this. Alrighty, my order is here. I got Lucy's top secret salmon. This looks delectable. It's got the salmon, the Lipstick Taser Sauce, and coconut blue rice edamame. I don't even know what this is. And this looks really good. I've wanted to try this for a hot minute, and I'm so excited. Also, Rachel is low-key beating this shit out of me right now in this 5-3.
Yeah, I played soccer like as a kid, guys. Like it makes sense.
All right, review. This is a very nice, tender, juicy salmon steak. I think it's delicious. I would honestly get this whole thing again. It is a bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. You get a lot of food, and like I said, the salmon's really good. And it's got a nice little spice on it, and then it comes with this Lipstick Taser Sauce, which is kind of almost like a sweet and sour sauce, I would say. That's my best descriptor. The coconut sticky blue rice is pretty good as well. It's kind of subtle, that coconut taste. I've had coconut rice where it's a little bit stronger of a flavor, but it's fine. You can actually get this separate for $3.79, which I think is a pretty good deal as well. Edamame is always a hit. These are Thai cucumbers, and this is honestly one of my favorite parts of the whole meal. I think the salmon is the best, but this is probably my next favorite. It's got a really nice like glaze. It's almost like a, I don't know how to describe it. Maybe like a pickled cucumber almost. I don't know. It's very good, delicious. Think cucumber, but with a nice little tang to it. Bro, shit wasn't even that good. Like, I need a refund. This is crazy, y'all. Rachel was beating me like 7-4, maybe 7-3, I don't know. And now we're all tied up at 8. I locked in, and by that I mean I started paying attention to where the ball was. All right, shortly thereafter, Rachel has defeated me 10-1 or 10-8.
I'm the champion of Minion. What is this?
Foosball. All right, we got frozen butterbeer. We just did like 10 takes of a cheers video. 1, 2, 3. They're a little like wet today. Like they're not super frozen. But I think we're gonna go to Islands because this park is so busy. There must be an event.
There's too many muggles, you know?
Too many muggles.
Elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
Alright, we're gonna do Forbidden Journey. It's a 15-minute wait, but for girls with Express after 4, it's probably a walk-on.
See, that wasn't so bad, was it, Rob?
Not as bad as being able to over here.
Hotter.
So where's Scarlett Johansson?
That's what I'm saying. Where's
Found her. Wow. That's crazy. I mean, we could go see Boop. I needed this. That means Velocicoaster might open. Let's go. Still on a weather delay, but they're letting people into the queue, so let's go. Oh my god, you guys, they got her. Scarlett Johansson, please save her. Alright you guys, we actually park hopped over to Epic and we're about to meet Toothless and Hiccup. Welcome back to work. I recognize you. What was your name again?
Rachel.
Rachel. I meet a lot of different dragon trainers around here, so it's hard to keep track of them all. Have you seen any dragons around here, or any other scaly creatures, or?
No, I haven't.
No, wow. I got just the one for you. This is my buddy Toothless. He's so excited to see you. He remembers you. I can't blame him. I'm pretty excited too. So did you want to give him a pet today, or?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just get him right here and let him right there. And don't worry, he's not like those raptors over in Jurassic Park.
Wow.
Oh, he likes you. He likes you. All right. Not too much. So we're very concerned with the lack of Scarlett Johansson Jurassic World merch.
Right.
Maybe it's because the movie's not out yet. We got a couple more days, but we wanted to wear it to the theater.
Right.
It's all right. There's always, all right. We went to Cold Stone and we both got I Love It.
I love it.
I got peanut butter cup perfection. What'd you get?
Chocolate devotion.
Whoa. And they just played back-to-back Taylor Swift. I Don't Want to Live Forever, followed by Endgame immediately.
Cold Stone is in their rep era.
It's true. I just want to say, all right, vlog, we lost the car.
It's true.
We don't know where we are, and we're not happy. Anyways, that will wrap up our day at Universal Studios. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe for more. Plenty of other videos just like this one, and we're happy.